Hey, so inside this box here is something we'll hopefully get to look at very soon. I've got a little bit of a job to do, so this video is not going to be in the upcoming week, so you'll have to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to see when it's coming. I haven't unboxed it, I haven't looked inside yet. I've just cut the tape on it because I've only got one hand free because holding the phone here. I don't know what I was hoping to do then, show you the phone or anything like that. All I've done is cut off the address label so you can't see where I live. And cut the tape open, but yeah, I'll just show you quickly what's inside. So you can see what it is. There you go. There you go. Can you tell what that is? It's a bit hard to see. This is actually an engineering sample because this particular device is not on sale yet. That's why it doesn't even have the real mouse yet. It's just got the standard mouse. This has been sent to me by the nice folks at Lenovo. That's right. This is an engineering sample of the Lenovo Yoga A940. Yes, the A940. I made a video about this when CES happened. So I'm gonna unbox this. It's so new that it doesn't have its own official box yet. There's only, I don't know, like 3 of these in the country. I'm gonna have a look at this, see what it's like. The specs in this aren't even the official specs yet, so it's not far off from what I understand, but hey, but it's close enough, and we get to see what the kind of usability is like. You know, that's the main thing. The form function is going to be, it is there, so the main thing is that we're going to get to see how cool this is to use. So check this out. I will get my hands on a kind of post-release version as well when the model is released. But the main thing is we're going to see what this Betty's like to work on. You know, how cool it is. Sorry, I'll try and keep the camera a bit still. But yeah, so that is inside the box. I can't lift this out with one hand. It's huge. It's an all-in-one with 27 inches 4K screen. So you're just kind of looking at the back of it. Let's try and... Oh, I can whip off this packaging. See, I didn't know that because I haven't looked inside the box yet. You're looking in the box at the same time as me. That's huge. Whoa. Let's not damage it, Lawrence. It has to go back. I haven't got long with this, actually, because this has to go off and turn up at an event. Look, there's a dongle in it. Yeah. Because there's only 3 of these in the country, so it has to go off and turn up at a Lenovo event. So yeah, very, very cool. I will make a video for you guys, and we'll chat about this in the comments. Oh yes, we will. So make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell, and you can ask all your questions. And like I'm doing lately, I will answer your questions in video response. Whew, Betty, I'm looking forward to this. Chat soon. Bye bye.